Hello, I'm Anita Mangan and I'm really proud to have illustrated a £1 book for World Book Day 2025. It's called The Fart That Broke World Book Day and it's written by my very talented, very brilliant, very funny, he told me to say all of this, big brother Stephen Mangan. We've done several books together and they're always a joy to work on. They're adventure stories, they're funny, they've got bonkers characters, and he tries to challenge me in every single book by creating something difficult to draw, but I won't be beaten. Anyway, really excited about you discovering our new book for World Book Day, The Fart That Broke World Book Day. Pictures are really important to me. I love drawing cartoons like I have done in our World Book Day book, The Fart That Broke World Book Day. So my top tip for you would be, if you like pictures as much as I do and find that they help you to read, why not choose a book with lots of pictures like a graphic novel or a comic book? Have you tried to draw your own comic? Or just books with lots of fun fonts and lots of images interspersed throughout so that there's not big chunks of text. And my favourite place to read is in my studio, on my sun lounger, with a good book. Now my reading challenge for this year is to go to bed half an hour earlier every night and read. Good night. And my top 5 book recommendations are The Boy Who Made Everyone Laugh by Helen Rutter, Nina Peanut is Amazing by Sarah Bowie, Wonder by R.J. Palacio, Danny the Champion of the World by Roald Dahl, and I think maybe this one, The Great Reindeer Rescue by Stephen Mangan, illustrated by me.